Box body here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1989 Ford Mustang LX with a 5-liter underneath the hood, and that's paired up with an automatic transmission. As you can see, convertible. Clean Carfax, actual mile car, no accidents indicated, just a little over 41,000 miles on this all. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front fascia. Headlights, not all yellowed either. You can see the paint shows well. There's going to be a few spots, kind of get them to show up here. It's a little tougher. There's a few spots where previous owners touched it up, taken care of it. Also want to mention on that AC, not had the compressor clutch engage, but it seems all the components are there. It's also been converted from R12. If you want to check out that engine bay in the still pictures, you'll also be able to see the underside, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the 10-hole Mustang wheels. Also want to mention this right here. This vehicle is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase, and that may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, the gray cloth bucket seats, interior nice shape. We're going to get over the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. See the car's nice and straight. White vinyl top, power top. That is in working condition. 1K is the paint coat on this. Should be light gray in 89. I believe they called it smoke, or a little name change between 88 and 89. Cool looking color. Don't see a lot of them like this. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. If you're around the rear, you can see the dual exhaust. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Just a couple little touch-up spots here and there. Overall, like I said, that paint shows very well, considering the age of this car now. I guess it's what you'd expect with the original miles, and again, clean Carfax. Doesn't hardly look like the rear seats have been sat in. Of course, power windows, power locks. Take a look at the door panels. Seating surface. Looks good, not showing much wear either. I guess what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Listen to that 5-liter. There's your exact miles, 41,279. Again, coincides with Carfax and a clean Carfax. Appears all the gauges are working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Of course, power top switch here. AM FM cassette. Stereo is working. Again, automatic with overdrive, paired up with that 5-liter. Take a look at the dash. Slip around to the back. No crazy over-the-top exhaust, just a nice sound. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop the hood open, check out that engine bay. After that, I'll put the top up. We'll check that out and wrap this video up. So first of all, let's take a look at the hood liner. Looks good. Another thing I want to mention is, take a look through the pictures. You're going to see the little VIN tags. There's the one on the front fascia. There's the one on the rear fender, or the front fender there. Front fender here. And the ones in the trunk. Check them out. Still pictures. Actually, DSO on this was Indianapolis. And here you can see this AC has been converted from the R12. guess what you'd expect underneath the hood. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. All right, I'm gonna shut that down. Let me take off this parade boot or convertible top cover. There is the bag that goes in the trunk. Let's take a little look at it here first. And again, you'll be able to see all the pictures online, uniqueclassiccars.com. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online. So let me take that off. We'll get the top up, take a peek at that, wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. Again, power top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl, to me it appears to be the original. And there's a couple little spots. It does show some wear right down here. Rear glass window. But if you need to keep out of the sun, or maybe a pop-up garden variety shower, it's going to serve the purpose just fine. A little bit of wear right there. And again, to me, it appears to be original. White vinyl top. I want to show you this while I'm back here. I mentioned it earlier. Those tags I was talking about on the fenders up front. There's one in the rear. One in the rear over here. If you can see that right there. Of course, the trunk or deck lid. And there's also one on the fascia underneath. No, sorry, I can't lay underneath my back and get the camera focused in on that. It is there. You'll probably be able to see it in the pictures of the underside. And you could also see in the trunk the package that you can put your parade boot in, or convertible top in, the vinyl envelope, so to speak. 1989 Ford Mustang LX, 5-liter underneath the hood, clean Carfax, original miles, light gray in color, good looking car. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Fox body for you today. 1989 Ford Mustang. This is a convertible. It's kind of an off-white color. Automatic on the center console. Let's get her up to speed. Good power. Tachometer and speedometer working great. She goes nice and straight down the road. Smooth ride. No bumps or wiggles. Temperature's still climbing. Looks like about 150 volts are charging over about 14. Oil pressure in the normal range. Fuel at half. So all the gauges are working. Radio works good. Wipers work. Cruise works. Cruise is working. That's a good thing. We'll go around this roundabout and accelerate one more time. Handle's good. Corner's good.